Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon. I'm sitting here working on orders for earrings in the bottle. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Working on earrings in the bottle, and I have 102 orders at 100 each. So I'm just sitting here working on these. One order is for the Buddha heads. So one boutique wants 100 of the Buddha heads. So I think you can see, maybe you can or cannot see those. And these are the Buddhas. So she wants 100 of these. And not only does she want these in in the gold, she wants them in all the different colors. So I am working on these, and I should have 100 of these done pretty soon. And then I got another order where the lady wants the pink and green. And if you know anything about different organizations, then you know what these colors are associated with. I'm not even said on the video because, you know, I don't want a strike on my video. So if you're familiar with the colors, and you pretty much already know what it's associated with. And also she wants these colors right here. So the lady that's buying, you know, the earrings in the bottle with these different colors, she sells at different outside events. So that's what I was doing, working on these for her. She wants 100 just to start. The other lady wants 100 of the Buddha heads. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I did something a little different too. I put a little tag in the inside of the bottle that says Jewelry by BDK. And I was thinking, I was like, okay, well, I want to do a little bit more to it just to make the bottle look a little bit more fuller. I even thought about taking seed beads, and then taking the seed beads and then kind of filling in the bottom, like, you know, with some E6000 or some type of clear glue, so it'll stick to the bottom, and then have the earrings on top of, you know, whatever that filling would be. But I was like, no, that's a little bit too much. I just kind of like it like this. And I do like them without, you know, the paper too, but it just really does something, you know, a little bit more when it has this in it. So that's what I was doing, and just wanted to stop by. I hope everybody is doing well. Happy New Year to you all. I hope everybody's being productive. I know a lot of you are, because I've been seeing you on the Facebook, in the Facebook group. And I've been making pieces, but not a whole lot of stuff. I've been putting a lot of energy into my journal collection that's on Amazon. But anytime I get orders in, you know, like for something like this, 100 this, 100 that, 50 this, that type of thing, I have to pull away from something else to complete this, because it does make sense. And then I'm hoping for, you know, other orders. And I have a couple of ideas in mind to increase or build on my wholesale store on fair.com. And it seems to be the earrings in the bottle. Like the earrings in the bottle, they sell like hotcakes. I mean, they just do like really, really well. And I have sold from France to Oregon State. So I just shipped out an order to Oregon State. Was it about a month ago? Maybe a month ago or so, whenever that was, I shipped out to France. I'm shipping out to Chicago, Detroit, North Carolina, just like all over the place. You know, people are buying these. And I had somebody say to me, you know, well, anybody can make those once they buy it. Of course they can. The difference with that is my pieces are not inside the bottle. So this is my own style of making, you know, the earrings. Just like if you make earrings in the bottle, those are your style of making the earrings. And, you know, it just is what it is. Just like Popeye's chicken, Church's chicken, KFC chicken. You don't stop selling chicken just because the next man is selling chicken. I mean, you don't do that. And it's all about, you know, style and what the person wants to buy and who they're most comfortable with buying from. That's how I see it. That's how why I don't have a problem with certain, you know, designs, like doing them on camera or anything like that. I mean, it just don't make no sense to me. So it is what it is. Some things you don't share, you know, some things you do. It's like, it just is what it is. But anyway, y'all know I didn't come here for a sermon. Let's try and doing like a little assembly line, you know, by doing my paperwork, my papers, my little labels, and then putting them, filling them in the bottles, and just kind of doing it that way, and then making the jewelry, the earrings, and then filling them as I go. So that's what I'm doing now. And I have a limited workspace right here, only because I have stuff like all over the place and all back here behind the camera, that I'm working on. So I got journals behind the camera over here that I'm putting together and shipping out, to some people too. So that's what I was doing. I just wanted to stop by and say hey. And I hope everybody is doing well and actually, you know, just staying productive and making things happen for yourself. And you know what? Thank you for all the inboxes, the questions, and the emails that you guys have been sending and everything. And I know I've been missing in action. Only been being productive, doing other things and stuff too. So just wanted to stop by and say hey. And guess what? We'll talk soon.